Alright, you guys, we have a beautiful 911 Turbo S. This car was in green. It was a very weird but nice laminated green, but I guess customers got bored of the color. This is a much nicer because it matches the gloss black on the outside, the wheels. The side skirts, everything looks good on this car regarding the gloss black, and this is satin dark gray wrap. It looks stealth, which is really good. This is exactly what this car should look like. So they're happy, they're gonna be happy. They already seen the photos, they're on the way. We're test driving it, make sure everything's good. Next time we have a video up, it will be past Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving to everybody, you and your families. Make sure you guys are safe, don't drink and drive. And that's it, have a good one. I think we did this car.
Yeah.
All right, you guys remember this Rolls-Royce Spectre? Spectrum cable, Spectre. Okay, so we did this car. You guys are familiar with the wheels. These were custom wheels I had made for this car. Car still looks great. Unfortunately, we had a bad tire, so we're doing one new tire right now. That's about it. So we're replacing a new tire.
Surprise.
I could make it. Yeah, I can make it.
I believe in you.
I can make it.
RDB. All right, we got a lot of stuff going on here. We got an SF90 with a flat repair, fixing that. We got a Porsche Turbo over there that has a broken front lip. We're going to be changing that. And then we have another Porsche Turbo over here, convertible, beautiful car, getting a maintenance service job. We got a G63 over there that has been in a significant car crash. So you see that whole thing in the corner has been removed because we're going to have to fix it, replace parts. That's going through insurance. And the bay next to it is the new 2025 G63 W465, getting the full BRABUS kit. So tremendous amount of work going down. These basically three cars are gonna be all done today. Obviously those two cars are gonna take longer, but we have a lot more going on. We have that full Jeep that we color change paint to a Lamborghini color. We're gonna show you guys that. And then also we have that SL55 project that turned out to be a disaster, but we are making it right. So check it out.
No.
All I know is chillers.
Oh,
That's it.
las cervezas.
Yeah.
Ok, dale para arriba pues el jack.
Yeah, we can lift it up.
Yeah.
You want me to lift it up?
Keep it to the right.
Huh? You got the Hercules?
No, with this, right?
Mira. Mira, espérate, espérate.
No, it's not high enough.
Espérate.
See, look. It's not high enough. You gonna jack it up?
Sí.
Ah, come on, loco.
Me agüitame. ¿Qué estoy diciendo?
Ah, you're not retired. This is not a fucking job.
Adentro, para adentro.
Ah, come on, loco.
¿Es todo lo que da? No, ahí va, ahí va, ahí va.
That's it, here we go.
Ah.
Good. That's good.
¿Viste?
Yeah. See, it needs like fat ass to get on here. See, está panzón.
Oh shit.
Hold it.
Right, take it out. Get it. I'm gonna lift it up.
Dale para allá.
Right, put it down there.
Quita eso. Hey. Quítalo. Ahora empuja.
Great. Now we.
Órale, güey. El otro. Sácalo.
He drinks too much beer.
You drink too much beer.
Cervezas, guato.
The best.
You're strong.
You don't like beers or what?
I love beer. I drink beer all the time.
Well, no, don't say that because you're driving.
Huh?
All the time is like every day. Hey, cool, man. Gracias.
All right, you guys.
You hate me.
We're back at it again. Okay, we have this beautiful Lamborghini Huracan. It's time for service for this car. So we're doing oil change, filter, topping off all the fluids. That's basically it for today. Just a regular service. Customers here. We're doing the resets, checking the oil level, make sure everything's good. Now we're gonna release the car. Bye.
Remove is broken over here.
Está quebrado, güey.
Flip off right now. Couple screws, some glue, and then put a new one. It's gonna be a very quick. We should time it. Let's put a timer on Luis. Starting. You have all your tools?
No,
Start
not
the
yet.
Timer. Okay, hold on. We're gonna start a timer.
Ten years later.
I don't like the color.
You finished it. That was kind of fast. Good job.
Me dicen del 24 entre la gente potente, mis amigos y parientes. Ah. Tengo gripe, la flu. Ok, hemos cambiado esta pieza. Hemos cambiado esta pieza. We changed this piece.
Why are you talking like that?
Wait, laughing.
Oh, sorry.
Spain, people in Spain. Oh, hemos cambiado esta pieza, cuyo vehículo está aquí en este tono de este carro. El color está so-so, no podemos decir es excelente, pero pasa una prueba. Oye, yo decía, ¿no? Que este carro está bueno, está boludo, tú sabes, bobo. Argentina. Yo decía a los chilenos también.